Welcome. In this video I will show you how to uninstall League of Legends from your Windows computer. Before we begin, make sure you have closed the League of Legends game client. To get started, we need to open the control panel. You can do this by searching for it in the Windows search bar. In the control panel, locate and click on Programs and Features. This will open a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and find League of Legends. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. With League of Legends selected, you'll see an uninstall option appear at the top of the program list. Click on Uninstall to begin the uninstallation process. Windows will now prepare to remove League of Legends from your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. This will involve confirming that you want to remove the game and potentially waiting a short while for the process to finish. While the uninstaller removes most of the game files, it often leaves behind a folder containing settings and other data. To completely remove League of Legends, you'll need to manually delete this leftover folder. Open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Inside the C drive, you'll find a folder named Riot Games. This folder contains all the remaining files from your League of Legends installation. Right-click on the Riot Games folder and select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the folder and its contents. League of Legends has now been fully uninstalled from your computer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.